7. Infrastructure and equipment. Tools and machinery. Ensure you have the necessary tools and machinery for planting, maintenance, and harvesting. Storage facilities. Build storage facilities to protect harvested produce from spoilage and pests. Fencing. Install fences to protect the garden from animals and unauthorized access. 8. Labor and expertise. Labor force. Plan for adequate labor to manage the garden, especially during planting and harvesting seasons. Training. Provide training for workers on best practices in agriculture and garden management. Consultation. Seek advice from agricultural experts or extension services. 9. Marketing and sales. Market research. Understand the demand for different crops and products in your target market. Distribution channels. Establish efficient distribution channels to get your products to consumers. Value addition. Consider processing some of your produce to add value and increase profitability. 10. Legal and regulatory compliance. Permits and licenses. Obtain necessary permits and licenses for agricultural activities. Regulations. Comply with local, state, and federal regulations regarding agricultural practices, pesticide use, and food safety. 11. Community and social considerations. Community engagement. Involve the local community in the project to gain support and create employment opportunities. Education and outreach. Offer educational programs and workshops to share knowledge about sustainable agriculture and gardening practices. 12. Economic and financial planning. Budgeting. Create a detailed budget that includes costs for land, seeds, tools, labor, and other inputs. Funding. Identify potential sources of funding, such as grants, loans, or investors. Profitability. Plan for the financial sustainability of the garden by analyzing costs, revenues, and potential risks. By carefully considering these factors, you can develop a productive and sustainable garden that provides both agricultural products and services.